So hey guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So today in this video session, I am going to discuss about a very powerful AI system and the tool which is going to help us to learn the automation testing or Java programming languages, SQL queries. If you are looking for a job in the automation testing and if you want to start learning the automation testing but you don't know how, you will go to the Google, you will search for the automation testing, you will get the n number of the website, and then you need to go one by one website to get your correct informations. You should be aware about how you can search the particular topic on the Google. Then only you can fetch the required output on the Google. But if you have a AI based system that will help you, you just provide the query and the AI system will give you the output for that. Okay, that we are going to understand in this video, and this video will really help to learn, and this tool is very amazing tools and it's going on the boom. This is the AI based systems, and now how we can check the automation testing step and the programming language. Now how this tool is going to help us to understand the Java programming language and how we can run our first automation test using this AI based tool. Okay, before that, I have the one request. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe the channel. This is my Viren automation testing channel, and in this I am teaching a lot about the automation testing and the DevOps tool. If you go to this channel, you will have the Azure DevOps crash course. The full playlist is there, and this is completely free, and you can go and watch these videos one by one and you will understand the Azure DevOps from the scratch. Okay, then I have uploaded the one more playlist that is regarding the YAML CI/CD pipelines, and then it's the very popular playlist that we call as the SonarQube tutorials. So this is also very popular playlist, and many people have understand the SonarQube by watching these videos. So you can go and check out these videos on my channel, and if please go and subscribe, like, share the video on automation testing. Okay, now let's switch to the video. I'm going to start the video. Okay, so the tool name is the chat gpt. Yes, this is the AI based systems. Now how it is going to help us, that we are going to see. So first you can go to the Google, and in the Google you just type chat gpt. Okay, and after that the Google will give the official website of the chat gpt, that is the openai.com. This is the official website of this AI system, and you can see this is the chatbot, and which is launched by the OpenAI company, and in the November 2022. So recently it launched, and this is going to help a lot of peoples how they can start learning the modules, how they can start learning the Java programming languages and many other tools. So after that you click on this link ChatGPT, and then you scroll down, and this is the official homepage of the OpenAI. When you click on the ChatGPT link, and this is saying that ChatGPT optimizing the language models for the dialogue. So this is basically the language models, means if you have any query, you can ask to the ChatGPT and it will give you the reply. Okay, we will say it is very interesting, you will definitely enjoy it. Okay, so now how you can launch the ChatGPT initially. So here it is saying try the ChatGPT. So you click on the ChatGPT, and after that it will check the internet connections, authentications. It will do some connections checking, and after that it will launch. This is the UI. If it is asking for the sign up, then you need to go and sign up with your Gmail account, and after that this is the home page of the chat gpt. Okay, so now let's ask the simple questions. First, hi. Now how it is saying hello, how can I help you. So you can say how are you. Okay, I don't have the ability to feel emotions like human, but I am ready to hear to assist you. Yes. So this is going to reply. So now I am going to ask the one simple questions regarding Java programming language. So I will type write a Java program to print hello world. Okay, so this is going to write the Java program for us. Okay, so here is the simple Java program that will print hello world to the console. Public class, let's create the one class. That class name is the hello world, and that is the public static void main and system.out.println. Wow. Now in the next statement it is explaining you can run this program by saving the above code in the file name hello world.java. So it is saying first you need to save this program in the .java file, then compiling and running in the command prompt. So Java C is the compiler and Java is the interpreter, and when I'm going to compile this one, it is printing the Java hello world. Okay, now let's ask some complex program. Okay, I'm asking the write a Java program to add the three numbers. Okay, so it's going to import the java.util.scanner, public class add three numbers. So it will give me the whole programs. I no need to go to the different type of the website and search for that one and which one is the good for us. Okay, and here it is going to explain in a very simple way. Okay, in this program we are using the scanner class to read the input from the user. Yes, and the next int method to read an integer value. Okay, Java C we need to compile. So let's add this one in our one class, and then we are going to validate this one. This is the right program or not. Let me check this program. So I will switch to the Eclipse, and in the Eclipse I already have the one program. In this program I have the one package, my Java learning, and here I'm going to create a one class. So right click on the package, go to new and the select class. Okay, now here we need to provide the class name. So I will go to the ChatGPT, and here it is saying add three numbers. So this class name you can pick and you can provide here. Then don't select anything, just finish. Alright, so we have the class here, it is generated. Now here you can, what you can do, you just copy the rest of the program. So from the public static void main, I am going to copy this one, the whole program, and paste it here. Okay, now you need to import the scanner class. So it is asking to import, so you can also copy this import statement and you can provide here. Okay, now this program is ready. Now let's run. So how we can run in the Eclipse? Right click, run as Java application. It is asking enter the first number, so I'm providing the 10. Enter the second number, 20, 30. Now wow, the result is the 60. Okay, now it's going to add the three numbers, so that means the output is correct. Now here it is also explaining what we have done. Okay, learn with the Selenium. Now we know this, it can work for the Java programming language in the learning part, but will it work for the Selenium code? And this ChatGPT can write the Selenium code for me. So let's try this one. Okay, so now here I'm going to ask how to launch Chrome browser in Selenium Webdriver. Okay, how to launch the Chrome browser in Selenium Webdriver. So it is saying the Selenium Webdriver, you can launch the Chrome browser using the Chrome driver class. Okay, this is a part of the org.openq selenium.chrome. So here it is writing the program. Alright, so it is saying the system.set property. Okay, that is the right statement. Webdriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Wow, and driver.get, it is writing this one. Okay, and then it's explaining the system.set property, how to, by providing the path of the Chrome driver executable. Great, man, this is going to explain each and everything. Next, we create an instance of the Chrome driver class assigned to WebDriver variables. Then we use the get method, and here it is providing the link. From there you can download the Chrome driver also and you can put in your project. Okay, this code is very good. Now let me ask some complex questions. How to handle multiple windows in Selenium Webdriver. Okay, now let's understand what it is providing the output, how to handle the multiple windows in the Selenium Webdriver. Okay, now it's going to write. In Selenium Webdriver, handling the multiple windows can a bit tricky. However, Selenium provides a few methods that can help to switch to between the windows and handle multiple windows. Okay, here are the few common techniques by handling the multiple windows in the Selenium Webdriver. First, get the current window handle. Get into window handle method. It will return the current window handle as a string. You can use this handle to switch between the windows. Now we have the first window handle. Now get all the window handles. So it is providing get window handles. Methods will return a set of windows here. Now it is writing driver.get window handles, and for string it is writing the for loop for each loop. This is the for each loop and it is passing these handles, and we are reading the handles one by one. Driver.switch to window.handle. Switch to a specific window, driver.switch to window, you can provide the handle, and driver.switch to default content. Okay, switch back to the parent window. If you want to switch back to the parent window after switching to a child window, you can use the default content method. Okay, close the current window. The close method will close the current window. Driver.close. Great, man. If I go and search this query on the Google, I need to figure out which is the best website to give me the correct answers. Then I will go one by one and I will see the ads here, this here, this here. On the website, I will see the multiple ads, and then how it is going to help me. This is the only a simple query and I'm getting the answer for that. This is going to be amazing in the AI based tools. Okay, you can try this tool for your learning purpose. Okay, now let's ask some DevOps questions. Will it can understand the DevOps technology also? So okay, now I'm going to just asking the one questions. Write a pipeline code to check out Git in Jenkins. I need to write a CI continuous integration pipeline code to check out the Git in the Jenkins. Now it is writing the pipeline. Isn't any stages. Stage 1 checkout steps. Git, this is the repository of your Git checkout repository. You need to provide the path. Stage 2 build. Step 2 sh.gradle build. Okay, this pipeline is the two stages, checkout and the build. Great. Okay, now let's ask some SQL questions. It can give me the SQL questions or not. So I'm going to ask like write a SQL query to find second maximum salary of a employee in employee table. Okay, so now let's see, write a SQL query to find the second maximum salary of the employee in the employee table. This is the very good interview questions, you know this everyone will ask. So here is the SQL query that can use to find the second highest salary of an employee in the employee table. Select max salary, okay, from the employee table, where salary not in select max salary from employee. Great. This is the right SQL query because I know this I have the knowledge. So like that you can use the chat GPT to get the answer of your queries. Okay. But what are the limitations for that? The limitation is that whatever answer you are getting from the chat GPT, you should have the basic knowledge about the technology and the topic. Then only you can understand whatever it is saying is the correct or not. ChatGPT is an OpenUI AI based tool that is okay. So like that you can use the ChatGPT. So now uh, if I go and so now let's again I'm going to ask the Selenium questions. Write a Selenium Webdriver code to print all images. Write a Selenium Webdriver code to print all images. Okay, so it is going to write the answer for the query. So importing the Selenium packages. Great. So this is the program.